Okay, here is command of evidence. I need a quote to illustrate the claim. Okay, and the research claims right there at the very end. It usually is. Occasionally it's been up top, but it's usually at the end. And I'm going to read the whole text to get the idea. So, a researcher conducted an experiment inspired by studies suggesting that people may benefit from feeling frightened in certain circumstances, such as when watching scary movies or visiting haunted attractions. Yes, who doesn't know that? Go to a haunted house, you feel wild and excited afterward. It's great. The researcher recruited several participants and had them walk through a local haunted house. Cool study. Immediately after exiting the attraction, each participant completed a survey about their experience. Based on the survey responses, here's the claim. The researcher claims that feeling frightened in controlled situations can, doesn't definitely, but can boost a person's mood and confidence. Okay, so a couple things in my experience on these types of problems is I want to notice that this is a double condition problem. Researcher claims that feeling frightened in a controlled situation, that's condition one. That has to be in the answer. Boosts a person's mood or confidence. That has to be in the answer too, because that's the result, condition two, of condition one. So, as we talk about differences and comparisons, we always have to have two things. Well, this one has two things too. They're a little more subtle, right? So it's frightened in controlled situations and then boosted mood and confidence. I need to see both. The other thing I notice is the condition, the definitiveness of the claim. It can happen, right? It's not definite and not will happen. It's a possibility, okay? So with that, let's look at these answer choices, because my guess is this is an easy one to understand, but there'll probably be some tricky different options here in the answer choices. So A, after I came out of the haunted house, so that's a controlled situation. I felt, it doesn't say frightened, but it's definitely a controlled situation after coming out of the house. I felt very accomplished and less stressed. So less stressed is a better mood. And accomplished is, well, I guess that's confidence, right? If you feel accomplished, you have some more confidence. So this one works. Let's keep going. My friends kept laughing as we were walking through the house. Okay, this is just in the house. It says nothing about boosting your mood after condition one, after coming out. So there's no kind of cause effect here. There aren't two things. This is kind of the answers that show one of the things, not two. So B is not going to be correct. C, the haunted house was very scary at first. Okay, this is setting up that the controlled situation was scary and frightening. That's good. Okay, but I knew everyone was just acting, so I felt less scared after a few minutes. So it can boost a person's mood and confidence. Well, boosting is a positive thing, right? If I boost it, I raise it. Is less scared a boost? This has the scary at first, so it does mention frightening, which A doesn't. But it's kind of got a weak sense of boosting your mood. And I don't get any sense of confidence there at all. So I kind of don't like that. That's not quite right, but we'll put a question mark on that. D, the sense of relief I felt at the end of the haunted house. So we are mentioning the haunted house. There's some relief, so that's an uptick in mood, I guess. Was similar to the feelings I had when I finished my scary movie. Well, that's comparing the scary movie because that was another example. This could be it too. What's wrong or right with this? I have finished when I was a scary movie, a sense of relief. Is that a boost in confidence and mood? Maybe a boost in mood a little bit at the end of the haunted house. So again, that's the controlled situation, right? Doesn't really mention scary here again, like A, so it's no better than that. And to the feelings I have when I finish the scary movie. Well, it does say scary movie in there, but I don't know, is that really saying anything specific about either controlled situation causing a mood and confidence boost, sense of relief I have at the end of it? This is okay, and this is okay. I think the better answer is A, though, right? A shows the controlled situation and a very clear boost in confidence and mood. It can trace both of those items to A. Less scared, sense of relief, not quite indicating the mood and confidence. So I don't think C and D are the best answer, but they're tricky. I could see a lot of students choosing C or D. A should be the correct answer for this one.